Four unlikely stars burst onto the screen. A whiskered cat, a goofy dog, a chatty parrot, and a nimble monkey turning a simple living room into a playground. Laughs surge as the cat pounces on a toy truck, only for the dog to commandeer it and the parrot to heckle with a perfectly timed whistle. The monkey swings into frame, grabs a snack, and tosses it to the camera with a victorious grin, like a furry little celebrity. Tiny chaos echoes with squeaks and barks, proving joy hides in every whisker twitch. These moments celebrate playful hearts and laughter thrives.